Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today we're going to do a yoga flow that is dedicated to practicing gratitude. So in honor of this season of thankfulness, of gratitude, we always reflect on who we're grateful for, who we're thankful for in the moment, what we're thankful for. And this practice is geared more towards being thankful for our body and what it does for us, and just being thankful for ourselves for being here in this moment. So we're going to have a lot of points where we're going to give ourselves hugs, and that's just to show love to ourselves in gratitude. So what you'll need today is yourself, your mat, and if you want to grab 2 blocks, you can. So grab those things and we'll get started. So we're going to start sitting back on the heels. If you can sit back comfortably on the heels, you can do that. I'm going to take a block, bring it between my ankles, and just bring the ground up to me a little bit more. Once you're there, just sit tall in the spine, and maybe find a focal point in front of you to focus on. Hands can rest on your thighs. Lift the shoulders up and back, reaching through the crown of the head. Let's take 3 deep breaths here, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Remaining here, we're just going to go into some side bends. So bring your hands down beside you. Inhale as you bring your arms out and up. Exhale as you bring that right arm down. Reach the left arm over to the right. And then inhale, bringing both arms back up to center. Exhale, left arm comes down, right arm reaches over. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms are out to the side. Reach them back, inhale. And then exhale, wrap your arms around you. You can grab the back of the shoulders or the back behind you, if you can. Give yourself a hug. Just having gratitude for yourself, what your body does for you in this moment. Inhale, reaching the arms out, reach them back. Keeping the heart open. Exhale, giving yourself a hug. Last time, inhale as you reach the arms out, reach them back. Exhale, giving yourself a hug. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. And we're just gonna put this block back off to the side if you were using one. Bring the hands down, come into our table. And before we get started into some other moves, lift the feet and just start to circle the ankles. This was a big ankle stretch as well. And then go the opposite direction. And then bring them back down to the mat. So you're going to walk your hands over towards the left side of the mat. We're going to step that right foot forward. And then bring your hands up to your hips. So if you want to stay here, you can. Coming into our little low lunge. And if you want to go into a low lunge, you can sink the hips forward and down. Feeling that stretch in the left quad, reaching the arms up, and then you can reach them back behind you. Coming into a little bit of a back bend, a heart opener here. Inhale. Exhale. Take another breath. Bringing the hands to your hips. Staying here for a breath. Practicing heart openers. Helps us to keep our heart and our mind open to new opportunities, new relationships, just new things in general. And then if you want to come forward again, you can. Sinking the hips forward, reaching the arms up and back. 2 breaths here. 1 more breath. And then coming back, bringing the hands down. You're going to tuck the left toes under, lift that foot, and then step forward, coming into a forward fold. Forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, dragging the hands up as you come into a half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. This time you're going to step that right foot back and then lower that knee down. And we're coming back with the hands on the hips. So again, you can stay here if you want for your low lunge, or you can sink the hips forward and down and then reach the arms up and back, keeping the heart open. Inhale, exhale. 1 more breath. And then bringing the hands back to the hips as you lift the hips up. Take a breath here. And then if you want to, sink the hips forward and down, reaching the arms up and back. 2 more breaths here. And then bringing the hands down inside of the left foot. Tuck the right toes under, lift the right knee, and then step forward to your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms reach out and up as you stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. And then from here, we're going to come and face the long edge of the mat. And you can have the toes facing slightly to the sides. We're going to practice a little bit of goddess pose here. So bringing the hands down by your side. Inhale, reaching the arms out and up. On the exhale, bring your knees down or start to bend your knees out to the side. You can come down as far as you want and then bend the elbows. Coming into goddess pose. Inhale, straighten the legs, straighten the arms. Exhale, goddess pose. Inhale, straighten the arms, straighten the legs. Exhale, goddess pose. 1 more time. Inhale, straighten the arms, straighten the legs. Exhale, goddess pose. Hold it here. Bring your arms out to your side. Inhale as you reach the arms back. Exhale as you wrap the arms around, giving yourself a hug in goddess pose. I know this feels a little awkward. That's okay. Having gratitude for this moment, for these movements, for yourself. Inhale, arms out. Exhale, giving yourself a hug. Last time, inhale, arms out, reach them back, keeping the heart open. Exhale, giving yourself a hug. Inhale, straighten the legs, straighten the arms. Exhale, arms down by your side. And then we'll come back to the top of the mat in mountain pose. Take a deep breath in and out. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, bring the arms forward and down into a forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Step your right foot back. Bring the knee down. Reach the arms up. You can stay here, or if you want to sink the hips forward, bring the hips forward and down. You may reach the arms back. Low lunge. Inhale. Exhale. Lifting the hips up, bringing the hands down. Tuck the right toes under, lift the knee, and then we're stepping back to our forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. This time, stepping the left foot back. Lower the knee. Bringing the arms up. If you want to stay here, you can. Or you can sink the hips forward and down. And reach the arms back if you want. Take a breath here. Lifting the hips up. Bringing the hands down to the inside of the right foot. And reaching that right knee back. Coming to our table pose. Take a breath here. And then we're going to come back to sit on the heels. Again, if you can sit on the heels comfortably without a block, you can do that. I'm going to grab my block one more time. Sitting tall here, lifting the shoulders up and back. Hands rest on the thighs. And then we're going to come back to our side bends and our hugs one last time during this gratitude flow. Just having gratitude for our bodies, for these movements, for this present moment. Let's inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, right arm down, left arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left arm down, right arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, arms out to your side. Inhale, reaching the arms back, opening the chest. Exhale, bringing the arms around, giving yourself a hug. Inhale, reaching the arms out and back. Exhale, arms come around, reaching towards the back, giving yourself a hug. One more time, inhale, arms out. Exhale, giving yourself one more hug, having gratitude in this moment. Inhale, arms out. Exhale, arms down. And you may want to readjust here. We'll just end with our 3 regular breaths. Sitting tall in the spine, shoulders up and back. We'll inhale through the nose, exhale out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. And this is the last one. Inhale. And exhale. Thank you for joining me today for Yoga for Gratitude. I hope that you were able to find some gratitude for yourself, show yourself some love in this moment, and I hope that you take that same love and show others around you. I will see you all next time in my next video.